Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane Winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane Winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane Winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe Amansane Winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Kumawood TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedimu Sini papa bena upe biyashe
I was here mamo na makwaba ene eda yawada the 9th of September 2021 asedan koma nyankopon so bosro nyamrebo asase se wonnam na tu akwan wi ase no man Ghana kura na hu baabi wa beduru no na asase na yepese bo se bia grasses doso pa bedu abina aye kwaye bi tu nko a nyina kire se onyame bo na ade no onim de ye na waye ene eda ya wada ya transi nyamre na yetimi esinupimidin as usual edit se Mike ene ya transi na mpanifo akese ene no mo edi nkobo na say last week no ni ha dimu ana mubusa na wo he no onyira last week na on crime say flight nent me afana mantem. I'm talking about His Excellency Akwesi Adewodike the name so the cordial relationship abeto Ghana's health minister ene Odike ntemu anya grokra efe pa enya go nyamre na yetimi adi nkomo His Excellency the former president of the republic John Dramani Mahama leader of the NDC ena ndi okwa pro obono na hafo ena afi so no other areas wa biwi e wa Ashanti region afi wi wa sakoto aso e wa bi foforo ni nanom thank you to asada ena ode ma na no ena wa sembi ewo tachiman na wi akochiri mu pa ewo sunyane na ensem ode tudwa ene se 2024 general elections no NDC enko Supreme Court bill na da wakofo ado akire mu bia ehunu se including omo NDC for no ehunu se Ghana abato no owakunya so nko ade obechinchim krofo nsa eno nti nyame ya adom na 2024 no ebeto nyina asumdie mu a NDC enko court na emom police station ho no ebeye do or die affair asoma kra yi Ghana for ebre anti ase se de ase so dia ena ebi ahon so dia okan ye no ena ene nya adwene ipado na aka so me pacho Media Foundation for West Africa Suleiman Ibrahima ono ka be ka se John Dramani Mahama His Excellency onfa ne ma ne yere na busu afo media ni mo police stations no na yen sha se do and die affairs no Dr. Kabinado for a governor former Bank of Ghana kuma wudi se konkron pa ono so ade atudwa se Ghana ye hia basabasa ansa no bieto be mampani e Ghana ndiro mampani dada Mahama ka no wona na enya adwene Mutala enso a member of parliament ono so de abetudwa akiri mu se Ghana for na antia se yiu e na yaje kane mampani ano ede asibone enye sa e na opeso kire Manasi Azuri enso ababonte abekiri mu se in fact aso mampani dada Mahama ka ye no ntwa so kan sa se some kan de ndisi bwana yon se yi no mulusu ye ndi kan no ense fata no so obeka e be bebre e na akasa fa ho na na bi a national youth organizer ma NPP amanyuko no so akire mu say in fact we e na akire suban papa ana suban bone pa aka na mampani dada John Dramani Mahama owo bi se nzama waka no enso ani fata kora se e wo se utimi eka sansam no Robert Nelson enso be kan say is unfortunate there nanso se Mahama pa cha ode de onyini se Mahama ebetumi ayesa ade no ni bebre na akasa etumi ade afa ho enei the leader and founder edema youth Amanyuko no his excellency akwase de duke enso ofia ha ono nso de na obeka ama Ghana fo nso etie asembai na oka ade afa de John Dramani Mahama his excellency former president etumi ade atudwa no ho elections 2024 will be do or die affair na amanfo bi are related to the do or die no almost say kobobo kura no a yes say kotokone has match with there e be do or die nti yare Mahama how can do or die ayen sem bebre well e be nyamre na interrogate ni statement enra ye bo kire o okọ sunyane Moonlight Radio ye no so de kotu ja kire mu say Ghana for na e bi mu answer da antene bro for na se na we no idiomatic expression we say ye kan tikwa na e say okasakoa so e de kasabebu di we de kasakoa do kan ye na bi ma anti ase nti mo ma anti ase no brofo e no kan ye nti na bia na wa anti ase yi a opese o kire se omuma ni beda ho pa se de be obi antimi sisi wo mo I said nkati a general secretary de ma NDC ono sa wa ntia be kirem say in fact o de o kirem o betuma ka se mo ntem brofo do do no wa asaro madan no no mo ntem brofo dina mo kasa na o ntem brofo pa de do or die de nkanya de se be bomba akunkum ni pa John Dramani Mahama ewie ni ka no wo se ono wo we nipa bi a ompe no asem wada boko obuade Ghana fo nyina nso nim pa so mo mpani kura no Ghana fo kan sam kwada yi a wada boko enti onya na adwene se oman no atumi abo well ebenyamre na yetumi edi eho enkomo national security ne abetodwa se okopimu e wasavalugu a ade se pa be 33 omusu se omo ye tourist amanfo a omo etu nkrofo so atua amawan ahobi obi te se Mali ne Burkina na nkrofo yi omo efiri a wepi oman Ghana me ne yetumi ache omo but omo ye so omo ye tourist ne ye se yetumi amani pa be 26 bill na kakra akamu no so no omo guso a omo ehwese de be ya nipa boni ni bi etumi for oman no emfa ense ne sa no so nkomo wa enra his excellency the president of the republic on the chairman edema ECOWAS on penin enra virtual meeting so heads of states ECOWAS no no omutimi ye meeting na the company ne heads of state no abetudwa ene se ene di akoso Guinea ama afakondi ya de se yetumi achi no na yesi ya gine konya fi ne nsem no enya de se omo ene asoja fo mo ye sade no ya adwene kura omo yitumu a enye ye nti asoja fo mo moden se omo nsan emfa konwa ne ma no de a ECOWAS for enyintum but it has raised a lot of questions say ECOWAS no obia country be a sovereign country but omo na akeko mo abomu the question ayebu say na wiai ene say omampani bi so oma bi mu na omu oman ni ye a ECOWAS for nsambe na omo ka che sa mampani no na so oman ni momu no ana se nipa bi so etu omampani no so atuya de a ho na omo be kire mu say omo ye ECOWAS. What is their regulations in terms of omunyumadi omudie ebenyamre na yetumi ye de ho nkomo na omude afakondi afakrum so jafo na afakrum omo se omo exe ni krum onhwe amanfo jubilation na omo jubilate videos ni bi wa ha ebeyi ama watumi ehun sede eno so esi etie aban asase appointment kwa na ekoso MDCs de wampani ahye bo se nyame ya adom a bosumi de enye dan ya no ane MDCs no obetumi ayi ede ama unzo wampani se aprobo no okoti region na afi voter region okwa aprobo ho na social media ba ku bia APM opa so wampani eko na ohokate sword ede ama lorry park na afi so drainage bi amanfo ya see twom mpani papa say ah na we dey one person we can nke bia nke ye assembly member dey DC na ko ba na some mpani na the lorry park na akobia no amanfo twa ne pa social media well ye dey bet one ons we hu say the lorry park ni city na one mpani kobia no na one mpani ye hwani mu say this month there MDCs no list no wait me about one to say ba ko ne nya kontomra one there ne hu so hu sabrobe ni MC and DC was Sefi Akontomra in the Western North region of Ghana. Na and also na on any appointment no. And a man for ask a question say any benefano doso. Or wapa oba Shantin region, call Western region, Eastern region. Omo doso pa. On penny then offer appointment you knew na bani papa ko so ni papa ko wanye. Baba Otinjesi a former tourism minister oko takwa sorry Pristia Winivalia na a member of parliament to about 2020 in Ulusu here YF former tourism minister on the best of CD Katrambra Fiku na maame ene aboni din say ono emra na afi omeche minerals commission ono na eye che na ne kunu enso eye Mr Otin Jesse Tony Otin Jesse nso no okuta appointment mienu a oye board chairman the Directors of Ghana Integrated Aluminium Development Corporation. Say eho na enkane no na miame ofa bantama miame ofa kukofu na ohye ai ne yapusi no ana ye piano ede no akọ ese kura no say kufu wo yi o EPA Environmental Protection Agency ho na ho nti papa yi ono na eye board chair edema Directors of Ghana Integrated Aluminium Development Corporation. On one so SI boche edema GRA na say pani ba ko position na kase mi no na mame mo menua pani poradmo kire so abaso eni ukọ airport Ghana airport ono na oyeche po obadwuma pa dwuma is well some doso ebiamre na yetimi edi komo but na basically ye be hwe nsam no akese bieno dear His Excellency John Dramani Mahama kan ya akoye nsam pi o my Ghana ebenyamre na yetimi ahwe no etimi edi ho enkomo na afi so iwia ya ECOWAS omo suspension na omo de ama Guinea because omo ayeku edi etia omo aban afakondi eno se bedi ho enkomo bitin edi se Mike aseda enko ema Malam Muhammad Spiritual and Herbal Center, Kumabu Training Institute, Stardom, Ibi Enko, Emfa, Emma, our travel and logistics, Veniceburg travel and tour, and I so Ibi Enko, Emma, so Yamre, now to TV here, also Oshay, my guest, and Penifaka see me and Sa, Poka Brayando, or by for NPP, Ashanti Regional Deputy Secretary, or non Asqua, Financial Secretary for the NPP. Obefia Sanso and Ashanti Regional Communications member of the NDC or by for Deputy Communication Officer Patrick Tua and also ever join here and His Excellency Akwesi Ade Odike Beba on a school now we students the whole Ghana ebinsi that student or secondary school now obo school no besia say monye enfa sports mpanye games muniska movie ska abandi ska ba mode ma de ame ana mutu school fees a marefane e de amame akwese de odike ono nkwa na yibi e o man Ghana o papa yibi a mame hu na afi entumi ka ho asem atnase as usual mama na kwaba na afi ibi a entwe ho da yes kwaba yeah boko de na enkran na tisan the last week na ajauti anaja
o ko trende wa kra pa peace FM
good
Captain Smart and a Power FM
okay
this week on the same sense na me bread e bia kemena o se me balance
ka kwa mfan we enwia ka enye ye kra
Western region
is a saka west no
ona eba Western region so you prepare
okay
ye ba big ben na
okay
if you are nyame adwa best schedule for
okay
now fi ye ko Western North
yeah
na ye the focus on ye dia kwa sanya be fa uti ye dia ba water ye dia ba east
okay
ye dia ba greater Accra
okay agenda na ebeye sen se o kyerɛkyerɛ Ghana for de ekoso ene woni so ade hunu a obo de konwa ne mawa in future o de ebeba na
me ko familiarization to
okay that's
good cheche Ghana for na ye wo ni mama Ghana for
okay
e kwa me fo ni ni ye eche o kwa watimi di mas
onimo good
okay ishia ya de ne bakasa de kudu
good
ni e ko red ye fa
good
ya yibitimi good afi bi akwetimi yes abem premu enu se na me boa yo ko e shi
okay na daron no bibusa me se odike oye sure se 2024 obetumi asan akode bi se maami a o se wono na mafia wi wono wa na san wa gori mu
e krena bi anso nyame ene wi ase pa o ya di bi kra na wa kotra fi hu sabe a oye ni unyo bi a se bi ubon sam na abo pa woni
okay
ena o to bo aba no wanso no so pa bi o ye ya ko enim no Ghana fo bi hu
story bi wa ha just try to tell mama na fi yin twa homa na mehwe main issues no or say ignore Mahama's claims of imminent food shortage in Ghana. Agriculture Minister aduane ho ayede
o de bi aduane ho de but enya plan for food and job and am aduane ho ka o hwe import so ya on food import the sky the aduane no e koso
okay
and a plan for food and job no sika e di 540 million amaye issue so because there were targeted food crops sika ko ye
yeah
salary no ne border so we
okay maize and
rice ne tomatoes ni na that so kra it is planning for food and job no mama ya na wo how presenting ourselves mama ya no we me because as a leader I was so prepared and wakasa
do you see him so unprepared
because as my working aduane e wo system no
okay
ba ne board
okay
it is planning for food and job wo ntime nye credit say aduane a ye hu no board yan come model no it is a board your system ma em fi planning for food and job
yeah
banking kan ba iren kan what you say sa traditional crops are yeni ayeye ade dada sikana na ku for twas ye de planning for food and job en kan hu bi
okay
but they kan hu aburo planning for food and job e ma he no na 120 and then 500 eh bad it planning for food and job na ameboa u cheche mu a eto aso
okay
tomato so ekra fi bokin na da so kra
okay
kokwa da so dom ko ye ono akoto ko ne constituency on ye yije ni efi ni je etina the concept was to mitigate imports the concept was you benya bumper harvest etino sisi warehouse ni na akwa aburo ba kokra nem eti ameboa ba de wa do mama aka no am an opportunity say mama twa no
okay
if you said you are system
but is it not also saying say who say I think last month by say aburo ho eden even no mo ye poultry farmers kwa omo ka say omo enya aburo ento gari kra so ne bo ayeden nti ebia na nya no nti na ebia ono so gina so aka say aduane ho ayeden
wa aduane ho ayeden ni aduane bo ayeden difference
say aburo no kwa na bi so mo nya bi kra nto
me say aduane ho ayeden
yes
it won target aburo no say aburo no kwa ka say or this carry plan for
food and jobs no
aburo ni bi ni ho eti amane bo koso
okay
eto aso akoto ntimi dispute
okay
ba o kas ma ma to kra da ho na o ma fa ho defend me make statement e ku for ntimi defend
okay what you just said the na bia Mahama because Mahama we know we a communication expert na as these days o kan se bia no a o tena kire o tumu se hade me nya no kan ko bisa na say you ke be kire no why
desperate for power
oh okay
now when your anticipation is too high your downfall is great
when the anticipation is
when your anticipation
is too high
your downfall is great
wow
what I say to run some work can I said e pentama be fa kunya no eba sa o kan sama e won thinkable
enye bi nso a wadi o mampani da no wote achi no hu se no enkoyie
dabi wote achi no hu so wagya bibi ho it out of desperation o kasa saro I to say Lord to you na wo gya yes wo komo enachi and so she never answer be wachi but o kanye ma wagya no fi a
wo gya kwa
wo gya kwa no enachi bi na e ma
then ma ha gya no
the sky ma wia no wo abamu enkwere sika se o to nya kufa do wo wia nyina wo
ba sa wo wie de anko na de na anka wo san pa biu
se jama mama enya
ana wentimi anfa de no so far is that what you want to say
you know ba ko na tu o wa timpo bi se enkofo bi amoa no ama na anko sikantem
okay
it was so saba no be show wo
no Mahama is a good friend of yours
oh a fact
yes I know
akufa do
airport you are part of it. No, let me ask this question. He's a good friend of yours. When no, you be doing kumbo. When na nantia.
O man kofu ewe nu maba.
When na nantia. When na nantia. Nti say oka sa. Are you saying that because we know say Mahama sa na tie? And I say
oni akufa do nyomu ya vindictive. Omi enu nyina. Omo odipa ho adwe hihye omo tirim. But umura fiso musano umuka so betiti all manner of people equal every na di omienu nya wa usaro se miswa se nipa nyina me de ani die ni obuo be ma mo pepepe uwia no ayi nkrofo bi se we nu de omo yem nkrofo we nu nkan na me ma so sidi wo akonwa no so da this is their problem omo na mo nya mo timpo bi se odike no nkan ye ho they are not part of us enti to mo different we yem nkrofo na semba entity different eti ayakatal and kabal and MPP ni NDC mo fa Ghana no mo de yedum eti na umba mu kofo e make an attempt so kan man abom kofo was able to
national reconciliation
and I no crowd and chen offer PNC for offer CPP for offer enipa bi a hihye even MPP mkroma no mo mpena sem o me ma o mbe bi hihye but these two gentlemen mo ntisa
no okay
we are very antagonistic. I know them.
Well, I was go so His Excellency Akwasi Adeodike, leader and founder UPP man you kono that be a nyame ya dom na said you never need so say empire bano and pano nyaba pair Blackstar House over now as a president na nyaba na sa yenso be hepa na we dey say Facebook or YouTube yabo e dey akire no na ebusa Mr. President can we say the nay you will be children crofon so nemre beso ye twa ho ye abafan krato me ba ECOWAS that I feel so Mahama do or die nyamre ne di ho komo
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu ba from ho se me yo o ba asofo nso no mo nya ma asorema akon
obi o wa me ne o kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam sebra
adwuma me ne da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me yawo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on 90 da woda fom obi so wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya afi no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne tachere ma afi na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine tachere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne ukasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne ukasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wodi abra oba bi o ho na wode no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti ntina ma onyem ana no wo ba me kire wo kwan no wo be hu na say abaye mremre
okay
wo ba nyim easily
piao so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center
Ebenada bia 7 to 9 p.m. Ene ni hia Kumawood TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu eno suko na ohaw eda oso no mala mohwe na onyi emfiri o emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika na ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri osem utu gold na opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra mala Mohammed Spiritual Herbal Center na kachi kwaw atibie tieniye kwaw atibie Eastern Region eho ena malam wo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwaw a wo so kwaw atibie odu wo bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piaw
Say ya kwantu ne ho hyehyɛ padia ɛno ani Venisberg Travel and Tour ɛyɛ dwumaku a Ghana ban ne amanonifo nyina agye ato mu ɔbɔ ma wɔyɛ birth certificate passport na wadi wanim amoagye visa nso domestic and international airline ticketing deɛ wɔyɛ number 1 ɔdo be konkro bi to say USA Canada UK South Africa South Korea Japan Israel China Russia any amanye de Schengen visa de ondwuma nyina so na ɔdo kodura amanoni a baabi a ɔbɛda ɛne adwuma a ɔbɛyɛ nyina nso so ɔbɛpɛ ɛde amawo adisuafo mu kosua de ewo Canada, UK, Cyprus, Czech Republic, Australia, Belarus, Switzerland, Ukraine, Russia, USA, any America ka ho nyina nso odembekwa akodura sumdue mu jojo na odemu kodura emra mu sua de no nso osape dwuma mamu a mo ye dwuma mu hunu ha bia. Venisberg Travel and Tour head office ewo Kumasi Santasi ene opokuari school ene di animhwe bekwai odo Tobirura Bank in Chepe Brekum Continental oni Vision Hotel Junction di animhwe freye ne ewo 0242 902-799 and 0502-603-337. Venisberg Travel and Tour. What kwantu hu dadwene edayenso.
The winner is Karen. Stardom. Kumawood TV reality show a basso Emma Ghana nyina ye budget so Emma season 1 ye di akwada wie no say season 2 audition no e basso den Stardom season 2 audition e basso live we your ba ana we berima wonim nyum to nyankopon ama wo adoma chedie bia wo betimi aba na wo be kire obobrede a Stardom season 2 audition 2 ye di audition a edi kan no akona wie ye say de audition a etosu mienu ene de ebremu aye 11 September yimu ni da etosu edu baako ye di season 2 no ehye so bomode ase obaba ba pick your form fa beje o Stardom na achede e womu no de eye bebre aye Saturday a ebe ya bomode a se wonso obaba na obeje o Stardom audition no beye butu but number the good screen is no aye 0547 160380 0547 160380 fa number ni sesia na fa ye church omu ekwan a obafa so a wonsa ebeka forms ni bi audition ni nyina beba so ewo Kumasi anu ti ba bia wo bia se won kran se wo Takrade se wo Eastern Region se wo Western Region se wo Bro East ana Bro West ana ba bia wo bia Ghana ha bia ni wiase afa na nyina omode ase 21st August ya ba bia wo bia obesim na oba Kumasi ahojo Atenga Junction ba bia Kumawood TV wona opepe and the audition no ehye so anopa no ndu pepepe aye 10 am na ya shase ye de dimusa ekosi 4 pm anu ti ba bia wo bia tutumrikai na won so fa wadoma chede ebra na Stardom season 2 we ha ebeye butu
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinum be from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no manya ma asore ma akom obi o wa me ne wo kasa stroke a chino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma me ne da okay kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa
ɛna wɔ homeda nyankopɔn ɛni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years ɔnante da wɔda fam obi so wɔ hɔ wawo akwala na no iso nsuo obi so wɔ hɔ so wawo akwala no de yɛ afe no kon no ya na etia na da so ebia na ne tɛkyerɛ ma afe na ne timi ɛmoa ɛyɛ ketekete oh ha no chine tachere mate se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so wo ho so a me ne wo kasa wo se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke abai bi ni nyina onom wasa gulu wa kasa
ko awusia yensan ema okwaba oguso sinopi live here on Kumawu television wadwen kire numbers ni go screen na asebomode a na efafa so bra enya mre kenkan enfma o de ba manemra ntem na yentimi kenkan enfma betumi so adwo ne Facebook Kumawu TV o like no share na manfo enso enya bi ahwe on YouTube Kumawu TV enche UK for mo he na nwumre Christian ehu message no o se o he live o so dike nwa yefe pa ne nwa yefe da ti bi oba ho ba hwe mo na afi motimi ye hu se de esi ekro o se odike na Ghana no nwa yefe sa mo se ahon kire Ghana nde bi no abeyi ano so no akwa de ja odi ntwi de da right ye shen komo na se a yeni nkobo enfamfri Guinea over the weekend ene beto dwa say abrante keto akura ono no mampaninya ne mugidie kofa na free France ba ye so ma meboa na o man ntumi nkoso ebere kwa na o promote no o military mu no na mpanifo bo military mu na ha o mo pa say na ye adwuma kokom kura say adwuma data fam a abrante ba ye so quick na o dey promote no well we say we say the man no si kuro no a eboa o maka bom eto mampani afakonde na papa no so mutu no omurusis na ebe bi no pe omo se kwa ofa so suppressing crofo omo anka wadwere constitution ne kwa pa osesa no na ono no mfie wadi nyina no ko so akona nimu a ha adwen afi so corruption power na abem no ekosoro pa mebunu kura Rollins pen so pa bia omatu no well enra ECOWAS chairman ana chairperson Ghana mampani na da wakufo ado enra mo ye virtual meeting omo ye omo so suspend Guinea man no say ECOWAS na de nei omo yo mo sinchen omo nka ho before now until say omo to niema na say mampani no omo sa de na bo say you ansa na omo timi hu yo mbe omo condemn de akoso ewo oman Guinea emu His Excellency ko say do dike ewo ha ye na nsen ko twetwe na se enfamfri Your Excellency on Guinea me say wa follow say e come de nipa oman no nipa ni na kasa enema nkoye do no hu se enema nkoye and they said that was the motive ntia omo the key action omo take no any say opession for kwan bi so northern constitution no na ebe favor ono even so ni hokro no a nchirima what follow the African leaders ECOWAS sponsor eka minti
do ni na me da se na nchira o say my akwanya ma e better London for me ho be fara because me minisika ho bebrebe
okay
ena me ni mra de bebrebe ena me na naka sem sa de a enya me dia me ma me fa no sanka
enya odia
ma me fa no sanka na o se bu be kan o se eni enfo obi ade
eni
enfo obi ade
okay na den efa nsa
se wani hu na nya wo de a eni kwa so do sanka
oh okay
se ni de ntimi ntache ade ensa de tache
yeah
di wani hu ana o mind na e prompt to sakofa but wani hu was a memfa so we need action the cause of self complete matters okay dini na no self to ni na no e kan
I see
nti e da ye da ye obi ani aso
eno ano a
de nyame de e ma me na madana aso
je hwe ko
na kufo ado je di kan no similar thing happened in Cote d'Ivoire, if you may recall. Alassane Ouattara was a Cote d'Ivoire constitution. Name is swing was out. And I could follow acknowledging or call Ghana for Mutiene. Democracy in Chelsea lie after obeying before. Democracy as a Chinese say. Tumi a wo man ye de ama timamufo na ye de chekere o man no ama man atumpon
okay
na asakra ye nyina yesuban de akoyedie na obia hwan ha no so be kan bo so asem or free movement, freedom of association, all the freedoms are fundamental human rights. Which me I enjoy. But idea a guardian principle. A boy who by a Emma democracy move at the dear. I friend the tennis of democracy. It is a constitution with the boy man. I the guardian principle. Said the 2 million now come on penino. Nay, or man for this in China. Apart from say sunlight, I have to democracy. One practice democracy. And the Ghana the woman and yet democracy.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes. I saw that for your kua. Omufa 2 million na the Omupe. Ghana constitution had 2 million nama, the executive arm of government. On appointed virtually every head of institution. The oppressor do money ye bia or the year. Ghana constitution no Emma Oman Penny Aquaman ye do pibia. In case of constitution in an end. Go baby or a conform to international standards.
Okay.
It is a fundamental human rights. Freedom of movement, association, blah 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 blah. Sano. Nina no oh yeah new constitution cry. What you say? But the power said they are the executive arm. I have friend governance.
Okay.
O man, governance in your problem. And yet the three arm of government, you know. And share idea, you know. And Koye. Ghana transition from military dictatorship. It's a ban. Sa military again. And I run Sunday a promulgate. Sa constitution. It's an uncle for the warrior Ghana. I need an course will gain difference be any.
This constitution shall stand 1992.
If in 1992 be seen there, complaints are Ghana for the man. I be a buyer that's what the man. Corruption. They say power corruption. Absolute power corrupt. Absolutely. Power that the American executive arm. They can for problem for corruption will still be there. They will say young BD. Young BD just removing an Ekufuado and the Ghana economy because the echo swap a sort of foreign TA. So that Abamba, the young and 1 year.
Oh, okay.
Yana Abetan, I can say. But a 4 Babu Fran Moon. It was me a crime, media and static casa. What I say? Yatias is here, me. Me Casa studio, who say, I have my freedom to criticize. But Uganda president can say me, a former Uganda president, head of a state, Idi Amin.
Okay.
Was say, as for freedom of speech, I will give it to you. But freedom of speech, I cannot guarantee.
Okay. That is after so free Hano.
Freedom of speech.
The speech in the Obekan, you know. And then was over
marker.
No, what can we know?
And I said, you must be in a more taketa here. Yana, we don't want to complain on air. You must say on Kaya home, Mamma money, you say, Obaha Mamu Fino, na ye tramp. Ghana. On some people need some form of government. Women no more cronies, some form of cabana, catania. Anybody can because Oka say Yamani Pabako, Yamani Kunu position. Niku Yamani 2 positions. And Yamani is 2 position. This is cabal and a cartel.
Abusing you could have a business for you.
Ghana 30 million people. Umukwani Sana so that 4 Moye.
Then Nana said there is no need to send Kasuja Fanokano, or maybe you could know in the first place because most of Kramoba obey the same thing.
I saw say constitution what to maybe a piano do Mubabero. Not a basic to the interest of the masses.
Okay.
America for crown now, there has been agitation, say corruption, Kosovo. It was almost started a constitution. Constitution, a living document. Say, I would say grow by time. it is a stagnant, a static, a child, and the agitation back. It outlives its usefulness. What is it? And the constitution and the Kufado, Wabu, why Hana Yura Mahama, and they will complain. O Massa, Yabra miss as only say everything is not right with this constitution. So you can scam appear eminent lawyers, any professionals, a young woman. O ye we are recommendation by General Wuye. And Yabra Domamo say, we implement ya. Now, you know, 2 million, Ikutana, Obetimide, America, Manaya, the open, Onya, and so Betty. It was the Shakapetas. But yes, sir, or before, when you saw by we are Aguetia, and Okuyi, and a 4th young twat and a Kufa Rabbit Baton. And what this is your police station now, yes, is your. Now, all call for that or die be die. All call.
Right. Let's look at the ECOWAS directives.
And in an ECOWAS, near ECOWAS. And you might have cost one, we are tinting. Who here be Ghana, you don't have any infantry whatsoever. To tell Guinea for said, Umuya or Munyai. Because we are not Cassia. Oko Gare Sra. And yet, perception, sir, Ghana about $10 million. 9 days, our course are triple. Omebun Kunta, Omufa Pipa Kramet say. A car boy in the scene there, woman from Osako Galibi. Obi, if we say, a fertile ground for military take over.
Necessity.
You get now one year view. Reason anything with the back. Like I said, get now a video. Get Mamma Canton Penny for. I produce to order. Yanni, these specifications come out. Aircraft and say, send me a panel. My penny for everything no way. Say they could follow request for check for plan say. Aircraft no way, and this one one year.
No, it means quite distance view.
A jet. I could make my could the whole world, baby. Baby,
One guy say, baby, I say, Unya force landing.
and cramas or more. Sadamanina, knitting with Becca, I was playing every. But lost really comfort to be an equal for a didn't yet suddenly. Defense Minister better.
Man, this okay say laws.
Oh, they don't so a bath. Obegano was France and
or say son or ma the specs I work that and work as who require bathroom.
Now, specs no, yet the bill.
No,
and we should move forward.
With the reason someone benefit me.
He was emphatic about the statement. The guy was emphatic. I listened to him. Omano, I could put $540 million. What's more they are planning for food and job? Scanning how much? So when yes can do us or say or be president. You see, coup a type of governance. Coup na ya kasa nya no. You were benevolent dictatorship. You were I catch champion. Or buy one kumubia infrastructure where the Ghana baby no why bida na de na decro champion is one bosnia dan so man hwe Ghana hwe estate wo Ghana nyinara champion e do don Bible say ni ponya de obedi ni de obeda any do be from no
so mboma
a champion time operation feed yourself aduani buya mama papa no de emu free akwa Angola ko now your full bus not rock room ni baby. What I say? And I'm going to team more because of 1992 constitution. And I could say, and you want to say yes, or lead the crusade say your constitutional review. Barbara, I had that. Go home to yes, Sana, no more body catastrophe.
Maybe another. I know allegation. Allegations. That's the year no more kind of and this was one. And this is if you saw on by
Anna, oh, dear me,
the same thing. I'm also
1992. Nana Kufuor ne yewura adubu ahero. Ye promulgating constitution mo criticize say makola ni dom for my constitution. Enye papa. Back then bia na ufa. Yewura Kufuor 1996 what the campaign say constitution enye papa. 2000 yewura Kufuor the campaign say enye papa. Nana Kufuor the campaign o ka say enye papa. and I cried also of my family. You see, and I unam chroma, boys, no, the aircraft with the cool crab. People are saying it openly. Oh, yes.
Really?
Oh, yes.
In this country?
Oh, yes. It have been for more. Maybe form for them. Bloody cool. And you had it, papa.
Okay, so this one, Guinea Diano, Nanya bloody.
No bloody nipa 9-11.
Oh, sorry, we do because
By chance for the end will be a
okay.
what you say.
Well,
Now the air can say, Mama and Fat and she say, Papa, and your mind. Now see, I just say, the coup and yet dear. A dear my democracy, and yet death, they are corner. And near the
but also, guarantee will be an it doesn't warrant somebody's head because say any of them to know. Yeah, but yeah. So there's no way yes, I no. Why do they do that? Why do you think they do that?
The more any day that two about man and a there's no difference. Say your former military government and your man your corruption here, you know. How so the funny I see Obi Kasa enye what do we call it? Eneme masoda for na form anu mu emu ade nyina na e control. Ebia na ekofo na kufu ye 1994. Bibia no asesa. And you want to say about a constitutional review, no? Ghana is sitting on a timing bomb.
Wow.
Now, you are rolling see be all kind. Or say, constitution we after 25 years. How to live the use it here. I've been one better yet, most of them. I've stopped with them. If you want to buy a deal, you're gonna fall. You're winning cost. But leadership. And so one goes away for others to follow. A stubborn woman careful. And you might continue now, there are complaining. He had the opportunity to right the wrong.
Okay.
Constitutional review about them is one. Okojina wa say hospitals are not missing. Ababi aba. They will jar one to us. Zemene ye Ramama. Baka say, the baby akonwa no me hunu say. Saade we koso. Some ma akwanya na me baby ma. Me kwa parliament say yenya mra. Say, o predecessor projects no wie ya. Emra ma akwa ma wo tate wo. Ya shemre mo. Ewa na say saade na ekwa edi enya no.
Yefio.
Yefio. Ba ko jina wa na lament. Say hospital akeka wura mu. Most of my baby constitutional review come na ka wura. Ye wa ma saye ya e ba be boa Ghana na yi krono ne keta ahye free o. Wa fa anya adwuma.
Another way to say looking at the SCO Guinea and the response ECOWAS the ACO. They were started asking say ECOWAS leaders no, heads of states no. Omo ehwe say bone another bibia sinko a ana say nka bia o so monitor each country. Now omo give necessary advice to have governance.
Yes, our good governance ECOWAS. I will see one charter will be a dibunimai. I am prescribed by ECOWAS.
Okay. And
not there no more control over the day-to-day administration of each country. It was one common front. A champion good governance.
Okay.
Cote d'Ivoire, Emra or Ghana, Uko Nigeria, Emra or Ghana, then we can have one common front. You say, Semetra Cote d'Ivoire, Emrano, Mession or Ghana. It means to me called Flato, Cote d'Ivoire law, because we are Ghanaian. The ECOWAS has a major task. So you are the president. All these things they are before. Now, after ye impediments, the constitution, a parliament now approve scar government spending. Executive. Parliament approve scanner. Scanner, a budget, no Chenya, scanner the bay. Now, parliament approve. If you discard Mawa, I was saying auditors where say scanner the ma what the adwuma what the better parliament say auditor the president now one giska no one na asa appoint obi say we na be audit we are there o mama ni no one must trash mu say audit kura wi a do obehunu bia no on stand for president na action open one
I say on ko anonso any that procedural powers no so be process
Debbie
no answer why
we rem je free 1992 be seen funding sub back it was 21 billion 22 billion ni nyina nyunu
because we be nyunu kase ne pan so wa ban no
e say na aban majority spender this Kenya no one it was the chairman the chronics ni wi a no offer charge atọ auditor general na kwala ho na appoint no my kaka basa na akoda na enkurase obi da form no otro eti I was searching man free form na empuntu nyina started from the periphery minua West Africa we are maybe the right way yeah who say yeah practicing democracy the government seems to be practicing democracy and the people are also pretending to embracing democracy but in reality the ingredients the characteristics the tenets of democracy any West Africa ha you know na fertile ground and will be a coup. Also, getting California coup, a man in a that is the will of the people.
I don't know, and yet, you think I say a section of Mama video no briefly na ya share Guinea after say omo ede omampanin omotu no ade so nam kurum de ngrofo eka say anya dan ya omampanin ko te so no we be ka say na opposition for anya omo na ibi Guinea after say military no de omampani amotu na de so fa kurum mo say miyenko kurum na wa ko hwe wani so ade say manfo nyintumu a ana so mojitum excellency
enti ya can say there are so many type of governance your dynasty your monarchy who the na ya can a type a system of governance and your democracy and na nyina ya choose say ya democracy sa democracy no awon ne ma bia woni suni ne ban so we use that to man free mo e mani nimu e mani pa esia pini eti when it must be done well na the one who say idea and democracy papa na practice when I was saying the basis fundamental human rights equality before the law and I got them here for any esca for any politician obi the pay airport man chrono yanya the way obi ko wi akoko baako ni ageni obi ko abemu a no anya no tap teacher ni a wo tra de na wo sofa the economic inequalities any culture of impunity. Why are catastrophe? Some women now fertile ground for military takeover.
Okay.
I don't know. Nana Akufo-Addo. We are ECOWAS chair. Ghana for say the constitution and some of them and your papa. My entire fee. Na yen sakram na emwaye na de ejima emeso fa se de yeso fa bi o se mempe eti ina smart say condemn de wogini no back home say de ye won de ye ti hu etoto ho a masa me de mi hu difference bi
Oh sir.
oh yes
A common all West African countries and I say be a say
ya Alassane Ouattara Côte d'Ivoire keto kwa si many people wako 2 terms a year what's a change the constitution another term Nana Akufo-Addo open so Asia we ECOWAS chair who to pray call coordinate if you open so
oh sir. Well, I don't know. They now one
of the Mami Sama another scenario. Malaysia. Omo president bi obebo mo. Dem ra sun okot lefi. O mani nyina se yan sanfa na mra back. It what I'm saying is we ni ya wani mute.
Okay.
Fragra yewra ma ma ekum se memfa nto aso a. Memfa nto aso.
Well, I was saying Oguso Sirope. This is live on Commode Television. Eguso Edin Komo. You try one sema Efa Emra Yeba. Ever to us.
Animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu ba from ho se me yo o ma asofo nso no manya ma asore ma akom obi o ho amene wo kasa stroke a cheno wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma me mene da
Okay.
kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda.
Okay.
Akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na daso ebia na ne techere ma fe na ne tini mo ye kete oh ha no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so amene wo kasa o se ne ba no ono matrama do wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue an kasa nkra no wasa twu glue ka ho mene wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
Samba bonten.
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kira wo kwan no wo be hu na say abaye mremremre
Okay.
a wo ba nyim easily
Piao so ho adwiru ene danta de bibo ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ebena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ene ni hia Commode TV na yenyamre enwura sunsumu ena sukọ na ohaw eda oso no Mala mohwe na onyi emfiri emfa emawo etwere yare bia edam usika ena ayira na wohwe ojapade bi na obi enam kwa bi so age afiri onsam utu gold ena opese onya emwa anase ebi akontuo enema ayedin amawo oba no odaso jonso anase akontuo enema ayedin amawa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kachi kwa atibie tieniye kwa atibie Eastern Region eho ena Mala mo esikafo amantem wo de odu kwawu a wo so kwawu atibie uduru ho bebe pa wo yira kora no a busa Unity FM ana wo be frɛ 0246 647 247 0246 647 247 eya tie bi na entumi emwa piao
sɛ yɛ akwantuo ne ho hyehyɛ padeɛ a ɛnoa ne Veniceburg Travel and Tour ɛyɛ adwumakuo a Ghana ban ne amanonifoɔ nyinaa agye ato mu ɔboa ma wɔyɛ birth certificate passport na wɔde w'anim amoagye wo visa nso domestic and international airline ticketing deɛ wɔyɛ number 1 ɔde wobɛkɔ nkuro bi te sɛ USA Canada UK South Africa South Korea Japan Israel China Russia ɛne aman yɛ de Schengen visa de wɔn dwuma nyinaa so na ɔde wokɔduru amanɔne a baabi a wobɛda ɛne adwuma a wobɛyɛ nyinaa nso so ɔbɛpɛ ɛde ama wo adesuafoɔ mu kɔsua deɛ ɛwɔ Canada UK Cyprus Czech Republic Australia Belarus Switzerland Ukraine Russia USA ɛne aman ɛkeka ho nyinaa nso ɔde mbɛkɔ akɔduru asomdue mu jojo na ɔde mu kɔduru a ɛmɛra mu sua deɛ no nso ɔsapɛ dwuma ma mo a mo yɛ dwuma mo hunu ha bia Veniceburg Travel and Tour head office ɛwɔ Kumasi Santase ne Opokuari school ɛne di animhwɛ bɛkwae Odo Tobiri Rural Bank nkyɛn pɛ Brekum Continental oni Vision Hotel Junction ne di animhwɛ frɛ yɛ ne ɛwɔ 0242902799 ana 0502603337 Veniceburg Travel and Tour wa kwantu hu dadwene ɛda yɛn so.
The winner is Courage! Stardom. Kumawood TV reality show a basso Emma Ghana nyina ye budget so Emma season 1 ye di akwada wie no. Say season 2 audition no e basso den. Stardom season 2 audition e basso live. We your ba and now we berima wonim nyum to. Nyankopon ama wo adoma chedie bia wo betimi aba na wo bekire obobrede. Stardom season 2 audition 2 ye di auditioner edi kan no akona wie ye. Say there audition etosu mienu ene de ebremu aye 11 September yimu nida etosu edubaako ye the season 2 no ehhye so bomode ase obeba ba pick your form fa beje o Stardom na achede e womu no de eye bebre aye Saturday a ebe ya bomode a se wonso obeba na obeje o Stardom audition no beye butu but number the good screen is no aye 0547160380 0547160380 fa number ni se ya na fe ye church omu ekwan a obafa so a wonsa ebeka forms ni bi audition ni nyina beba so ewo Kumasi anu ti ba bia wo bia se won kan se wo Takrade se wo Eastern region se wo Western region se wo Bro East ana Bro West ana ba bia wo bia Ghana ha bia ni wiase afa na nyina omode ase 21st August ya ba bia wo bia obesim na oba Kumasi ahojo Atenga Junction ba bia Kumawood TV wona opepe and the audition no ehhye so anopa no ndu pepepe aye 10 AM na ya shase ye de dimsa ekosi 4 PM and ti ba bia wo bia tutumrikai na won so fa wadoma chede ebra na Stardom season 2 we ha ebeye butu
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi wo amene wo kasa stroke achino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya adwuma memene da
okay
kwesi da edwoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya adwuma na efieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wawo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda woda fom obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa akwala no de ye ya fe no kon no ya na echi na da so ebia na ne techere ma fe na ne tini emo ye kete ho no chine techere ma te se abo wo no malam se nkasa fa na bra ebi so ho so a me ne wo kasa o se na ba no ono matramadol wi jot sabe ko ke baby ni nyina onom wasa glue ankasa nkra no wasa twi glue ka ho me ne wo kasa o ba bi na wono ne kodaye afa de ye ya obe ma no kwati na twa wura mu a ase eya dan te se achichide eti malam se wo de abra oba bi o ho na wo de no aye den onu be ma hia pa na nsuo ni nyina saba
bonten
enti eno ntina ma onyem eno no wo ba me kire wo kwan no
wobɛhu say ɛbɛyɛ mmerɛmmerɛmmerɛ a wobɛnyim easily
piaw so ho adwiriw ɛne danta de bibi bɔ ano Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ɛbena da bia 7 to 9 p.m. ɛne ne nhyia Kumawood TV na yenya mmerɛ nwura sunsumu ɛna sukɔ na ɔhaw ɛda wo no Mala mohwɛ na onyi emfiri wo emfa ema wo ɛtwerɛ yare bia ɛdam usika ɛna ayera na wohwɛ ɔjapade bi na obi ɛnam kwa bi so agye afiri osam utu gold ɛna opɛsɛ onya emwa anaasɛ ebi akontuo ɛnema ayɛden ama wo ba no ɔda so dwonso anaasɛ akontuo ɛnema ayɛden ama wa bra Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center na kache kwaw atibie tieniye kwaw
abuzia yensan ema akwara oguso siripa nche no fabra na enyamre enkenkan Mala Muhammad Spiritual Herbal Center ko atibie ena Mala Mbutu wase bra na ontimu a how amane bo spiritual and herbal ina na wase bra appointment yi amanfo gye mienu miensa wunya ba hokora so bra na Malam ontimi emwa sa nso no se awo ho ayeden de ama odwuma hosam ena eho ayeden de ama wo a nyina no oba obetumi abo pa the only Malama nei owo TV ni radio so na ifebebre onya amane bia obia akwa no nya confusion modern de kono wombo a wose eye honhum ne honum ne dia na yare na twere dam ene yare bia no ko no wansan entimi emo 0246 64727 247 0246 647 247 ko watibie eskafo amantem ena Mala Muhammad obutu a ode eboa enkrofo wo yemanwura mo His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ne to a oko sema woka we so dikadika ka say mabani dara Mahama we so desperate tetebu okro kasa sabi o henachi na wakan boom na no ano nsemi brain na dia aba no say 2024 elections no ebe do or die affairs wachirem say violence I cause so baby wa na etintu mo nsa no eno no mbese be cause so ntino kan sa asem no well mamema Patrick Atua akwaba wo hwese nyame ya adom a NDC Ashanti region omu bi kwano tumu a deputy communication officer obewrem p akwaba
tamai kmejo so
bakwade
ade acha yetin community aseda ne democracy na sene ya na de bia ya kase aseda ko nyankopon a ona mi rade Yesu Kristo so edin kuni mamai nti aseda ya be smart antimani Ghana na menchia ya be ofa onze ya to abawie ya no political parties na kan NDC ni MPP hono me kan de other political parties no bibiri wo a untu omun kan biyo de ya me yakra ne se bibiri wo a ya mo kwan mo ba so e ma ya to omun so aba ya to abawie yi unhu omun kra biyo mo mayera they are not involved in any national discourse omun nya hwe e be ka 4 months am ya to aba na o ma say yi omuti na enam se party na owa ban mu no ohun se omu pushi na agenda nto wasa do matokrata so no yi odikemu a ye fi se ye wi abai ba bia be fa bia enkran kumase ba bia no anapa wi anwumre omu discuss the involvement in national discourse no alone omu nyina ma me discuss here obi apa president adi ohu omu bu bia o de me ken all the other smaller parties ohu omu flag bearers na ye do omu to so ma ade ne ye tintin na ye koto aba no ye to aba wi wa ade
oh ba me kan me ne akua don ko asia
how many times
master sometimes no bibia dey defend you say Mike no bibia dey asma mi ken gana mi bia o hwe Kumawood TV e busa na the same question say why are they omo ba bu ade no so ade no aha we na say one ni e dey be independent ade ne ye tintin na ye koto aba no ye to aba wi politics in see you they discussing national issues they had national discuss why are they omo why but the duru why better the top no so ni ayi odikemu they are always involved in national discourse omo kira omo adwen enopa wi anwumra with their own resources adwuma no e beka so omo momu does not qualify but e beka kwase sa omo a yentu omo nka ba bia e beka 3 months a na omo pie uhu so omo ko congress uhu so omo ye hwe yes onu na ye flag bearer de ma beto so amana ba beda so no anya sa prestige on say obeda so a unya international recognition ni ade because say we push party na agenda no onya nti I think say all these things Ghana for am hwe no to observe eduru one ye can say these people must be on the ballot paper. Some of the things we should look at their activeness anywhere omu play throughout enya wo tena say ka 2 months bia no abe youth na ye do abe to ballot paper no so so that was just on the way but we offer obi a o follow politics to krom ha enye Kumasi nkwa enkran ene be bia recently be bia oto which is all resources and we moving up and down so no what discussing national discuss and what discussing Ghana issues are omo penifo say no omo do ma no atumu a ye no omu hia say ani esua bibi firi omo ho ne ade na omo de omo titifi akeka mo na ato eduru ha na ba muska na ba pepeke form no na ba da ba na ade na tentente ukoto abakwa opedwo mama kwa nhunu na ade na tentente sa ntu ye kasa ntro mu pie no me discuss bi enye palos paso dan kwa na politics ni ye no mumra na no mu nyina ntam so ntro ma adwene fa mu man no so that was just by the way
right of father say
eno fanko eno fanko apese obi ewie ye wayi ni hu a oye political discuss bia no oka ho but me do no ye example because one am ne asin and ono no de no so e visible obi ehu no and opa area numere from TV station to radio station discussing national discuss or tell how to contribute to the national quota anything I'm doing here example eti afi yanto aso
right Mintio on John Dramani Mahama oka say do or die mo definition for do or die no anything we chiri say do or die affair
well enye definition mama ni kan kasa asem say yeti hey so obi ka twi na say oka chiana ebuma ba betre na se ana obi ba ho say obi aka twi bi eho abanchi waso a yemu bi be kwa ko gina wa kire mu ko say asantefo nti e believe say ene etitwi especially I atwumafo ne mamponfo ne de omu hu say ko typical twi uko atwuma nkwase na omu twi na omu ka na deep papa uko mamponso so villages na omu ka deep twi nti e ka twi ne ka so omra me kire mu ko no o say
why ko abri
ofa eduru zo na de kwa abrefo aka eduru na de kwa abrefo etu ka twi ni na o ka twi ni na e bia o penchire mu a e baba ne aba betire mu bi say krom kasa enti se obi ka brofo na brofo no ho ye enchinwaso a akosi bi oni de ade by fa ne dictionary
okay
juma dictionary ni di say brofo bia a wonte ase wo bie mu a ewo mu no akokan enti se e bia wo na hu ni say eye huhuhu aye de say bia huhudios wa kan huhudios meaning no ebi kwa na nya ade ehu but wote we de no na person odi twi fra that's was huhudios enti do or die enye do and die do or die e dictionary mu nyankopon cha de dictionary etu ko dictionary mu a no ko read ya say na se chese anta na wo ko du bia wo de abodjon mahama e bia na won table of na se enti sa wo person anta na bet ma judge no ko read afi ye the definition of do or die see who definition na e dictionary we your Collins dictionary ye hu ya na afi yabu say won say so bi ka sa asem na waka ni ya na say wanka ni ye see or say do or die me kind of photocasm because dictionary the photocasm na edeka or say a situation in which you must take a big risk in order to avoid failure requiring supreme effort to avoid the dire consequences of failure to try to achieve ipacho sa fui mama sense to be or say a situation in which you must take a big risk in order to avoid failure.
Wait, let's analyze it. One, risk. Continue.
Na say we say ayeti. Edem ha yeti risk. Remember, edem say risk na won kan. Edem ha yeti, ya bosa so ne yeti. Abosa timi dwirigu. But see I say ba betena abosa na pampam na risk.
Okay.
And you know the risk no matter how you take it. Even crampo car kwa ya furu kwa risk. It doesn't change anything. Now, I say a situation in which you must take a big risk in order to avoid failure. In order to avoid failure.
Yeah.
No way won is it. Ade bia wo ye bia say out hen. They say out hen. They say out studio hen. You are ujai adwuma ujai wo yire no ma nyina ho ofie. Na ade abetra ha na ade discuss. E bia ba dey kan no yire no ma ofie a enka ope. But wo jai yire no ma a drive Uber na utia break na u change sa any risk na ade betra because you want to avoid failure. You go bia oba ha bosom so be kakta dia turn to e cry there e so when timanya sa ade no ofie you become a failure as a husband. So you are taking that risk to avoid that failure. It doesn't make you a wicked person.
Very well.
Enti utia or say a situation in which you must take a big risk in order to avoid failure, requiring supreme effort to avoid the dire consequences of failure. Try to achieve. Enti asem way Buafu ya ye kan yi. Me buafu kakra minim. Enkyere me se ekyere se obi pa ba mo obi tirim.
Ba ekutupa.
Oh. Wafu odike. Buafu ya me kan yi. Ana onim de ya na ema ewiase se ewiase na ye kitu bi Google adaroma. Enti se obi di nkomo bi. Na o pese nkomo na wo di no ebi atwetwe waso a. Ofa o phone ana ofa o gadget bia na wo so abie Google. Ubie Google anu abodu or die. No akan meaning no because I brofo adon mahama aka. Ana nkofo bi atwe na anu asi bone. Fi se o kan order bi die magana kwa twom aboso. Enu nti ene omo so won se o ma se do or die dia ene yesu enya no. Nyankopon cha de order bi die dictionary me masechi eni hospital dictionary. But do or die there Nyankopon ada Roma e wo dictionary. Enu nti you can go and cross check as an intellectual. Ana se bi obi a wo pen kore. Na nye huhu ne politics into pese o twa nto adu gu obi hu fi. Eye brofo na nipa ne kan. O kan dictionary ni na wo hwe ne nkyerase a. Ne nkyerase does not mean violence. Go betima conclude ni say obi a nani abre no a win taso any determination say ade bia wo ye bia no ba achieve success. That is for the meaning of do or die. E bia let tete no ne entiase a dictionary any Google adaroma. Now we can understand it better. And the President Mahama asema o kan a o kan say do or die. Election ni do or die no. Ye NDC for ya jatum. O kasa no o kan say ye bema ye ni ada ho polling station ho. Na ensure say abana ye be kan no ye bema ye ni ada ho na ye kan emu mfa so. O sa kan say uni ma asema o kan de wi ase de o kasa ye hwɛ de ye wo mu. De obi ti se bia enkoyi ya na so no atwetwe na so no. Ero na obi afa no highlight. President Mahama on that program I can say yen nyina ye de President Akufo-Addo tum as a legitimate president. Ano the newspaper headline bi ehunu an capture portal bi ehunu an capture President Mahama saka bi em say Ghana sumdue ene se nyina ebenya peace e wo kroma senti election ye wo issues with it but for the peace of this country let us move on. Ano so newspaper bi ehunu online portal bi amfa. These are issues I'm Jesus will be a newspaper. You should be picking it. So President Mahama says, I accept President Akufo-Addo as a legitimate president. We make us only choice. But all the newspaper, at all front page, people will buy it. But no, they want for any interest. Into him, Obi Kasa. As I'm back where English, you say you go school now, you see literature and drama near there. So Obi Kasa, I never call to Mr. conclude you as I'm back on the kind any posture. So they will see a cancer. Emotions are there attached. Baby any penny free out the baby ho. And to me read the line now say if it be sequence of events I go say boni beka. With me read the line now say baby how no sha say the kowie say me yen hweso a. O hwe time President Akufo-Addo e beka order bi dan na. Baby o sha say atiwa ye kire bibi kakra wo ho. Kire pone ye kire bibi kakra wo ho. Se say aso obi ba kwa ye so we bom yenu. Abato ye akoto e de order bi dan. Such a statement you can easily conclude to say a violent statement. But President Mahama dey can was in. Where do Osha say free? Say no Osha say. Or say abana yakoto ye no. Supreme Court, yakọ Supreme Court ni antin na bia. Say ya no kan no. Supreme Court abu ediaman say 12-0 ya lusu. Ya jatum. President Akufo-Addo is a legitimate president. Ghana sum dwenti ya jatum. Na mom ye kwa anim no. Ye wo say election no. Se ba bi wo ho a ye me ani kopa ya polling station. Se ba me ani ada wo polling station. Woni make sure say ye ntimi nwa obi. Obi so ntimi nwa na election na ye kono de e do or die na ye brofo ebi mu ntia se na atra se wo literature se e ya de a wo ya odi wo we nyina shape do wa we ataso make sure se odi nkuguo.
So he made mention of the police station. And then initially of course a police station na mu dey say NNT at this time round no e be do or die.
Police station no be my polling agent da. Say o tro figures are 200. Say nipa na o tro dey develop akuse ka ho.
Okay.
2,000 or develop akuse ho 20,000. That is why polling station becomes very critical. May not be a polling agent. Be a polling agent of fantastic.
Okay.
2012 election polling agent. Ye kan aba no. Edu that time na o ma do light. And o mo de kanea aba. You can imagine the tension around. Come for nyina begu. And I mean black sheep am them because almost 99% people. Police ni ba bi ade ne ba ye. Pressure ne e chet ya no copper e chiro ba bi try. And even coalition na ye kan no ka police ba no ono me ho no akọ be atena kra me pe no kra de manya to na mu se ye bum ya we be gime no me hunu na wana o kan no easy official na o kan odu 16 13 ho no o free 13 o 13 17 am say o free 13 an ko 17 o free 13 an ko 14 no ko mo fu na ji ya de asa no mu na usan pa de me kan no sa ba se man ka se o free 13 an ko 14 an ko 17 an ana mi ye can let's say 100
meaning we have been doing all this vigilante works at the police stations. We are very vigilant based on what you are saying. This election I call you know. And then they see police stations in Tia. I'm Mohammed Jatakasi. That's what I want to know.
Oh yes. Yeah. Checks are in any which some of the police pin sheet how to get the pin sheet because in a certain mention of the last time I got to say election about a week after election now 40 polling station yes campaign sheet ebi mo ya fra omo no ya bo ka ma no so lifi ho no mo ko mention of ya enye enwura baby asa na make kuma say ya yes and so a lot of things happen but as a political party you learn from your mistakes ni pe bia political party nko ni pe bia o serious the one thing sua ade am free enema bi e so si no bra bo ko anim the president Muhammad say yesua bibia say that no so media for boy who online portals amfa but we have learned lesson out of 2020 can you see a banner headline for new supers the president Muhammad aka say we have learned lesson I know there who and the last thing be ni say going forward we will ensure say our polling agents are well trained our polling agents understand everything our polling agents will withstand no matter the situation we to motivate them on be gina ho no ma hwe coalition e be koso yie na me dey ma no si o adi no ye to aba ni wie ye no CDD for ya na so mo research omo report omo state we say coalition was the problem it was not transparent European Union report is show omo so as a coalition was the problem and this obi ka say ye kwa election na oba vigilant or coalition hu a o twa the about see even CDD foreign observers e by election ni mu nyina report after the election say kwa ye fa so kika amani bo mu na mu na ho. So the NDC is saying that we have learned something. Going forward, we'll be very vigilant. Yamani see, and it will be so or die. It doesn't mean so big of a bad body.
Mahama Kasemon was saying, when you know, lessons yes, you know, yes, and go Supreme Court to you, and you saw minors for a brand. So when you get to the police station, then we say a Kwasiata party, Tinchina Tia, oh, we are what? Obey. So what will you do?
And to make sure say you out.
Oh yeah, obey then.
That's not to me yet. If you don't allow yourself, you to me you are a police station. Then tell me then you see as soon say because now obusa me no. As soon say ade na oni nipa no ko no di nipa 10 ba na odi nipa 1 eko. Eh nipa mako na ade akogina. So nipa na odi na eko no. E na so man here vigilant. Mama typical example say Tama papa na kan ade no. Ofri 13 or 17 I have to draw attention so 30 or 14 and so you will make sure say so kind no ka say ofri 13 or 17 eventually you say 14 and 17 won pop they akotwo that re
wan pene na do na ho no aso no as you say na nko na ho na no so no do no ho na aso nko 17 no to 17 na mo be yede
what the wan dwe na say wan pene a ya de enya da chika bia
man ko dike
enya si enti me wo da na say wo de ye ko yanim
Mr. They have a kind no. For me, I don't have a problem. But my problem is, yes, I go to Supreme Court to view. It tells you, say, won't go to Supreme Court and I won't go court for there. A crime of a first one, obey justice, even if or when you are cheated. Or you are cheated.
Yeah, democracy, and your papa.
Okay.
And my car. You are Mahama. What you have to be a papa. At Robertfield, who said, be behind your papa. Na kufa do position si bibia anye papa obetra akonwa nsuin de ye ka se yense sanoma emoye no wo se wu ni bibia ye papa ayo mienu selfish interest ana omo ate
wo fani
over omo take omo selfish interest no atake center stage than the national interest your constitution na make come once more akodu ba bi akodu dedika when the Fanyaka said elections are won at the polling station.
Yeah.
And I'm going to say Supreme Court verdict in Minimum. There's so Ghana and Father. Abawe Equatorian. And you're counting. And a cofa police stations sent by. I have vigilantism. A sort of war and national security was a war about the pump that they say. Among the brutalities of police station. Now, you are mamma, or you are aware. If you are many people, it will be one. If there was one cocoa to be a banana in Fidia at the corner. A year, 2 years on the control. On the year, 2 miles, who quite met, we was about 1 year in the year.
Okay.
Our election, or the Bugabugana, my election. It may say, call measure now, no mamma, the face. Because the mamma clearly, or himself Bugabugana could follow the chin.
Okay.
We all know, but sort of for crowd, your quiet packer, security, no, you're not sort of phone call. It is not for deliberately. I will create this, anarchy. Now, shall you be? And to come on, Seven Euro, America. The Americans are say, number 3. Of course, Supreme Court, no. Or say, letter commission.
Yeah.
You buy or number or corner one to it. And before that, or say, and this is what they will call police station. Let me cry anymore.
Was it per reporter a buyer?
Thank you. It will share the condition precedent now. One said, Mamma, who said, a violent to be a court for police station. Emma will lose election. Now, what court was on your court to need him? Statement to be made here, or so pap and we. He doesn't believe in our court. It is a good father don't for the laws into their hands. So much to your police station.
Uncle Court.
Uncle Court. It's a very boot for boot. Sir, English no quite more facilitated. Say, one the police met the chair of one. Okay. Interpretation of that. The mama poster any demeanor. And yet, and the import of the message.
The poor was
HSA. Only satisfaction will call to so be justice.
Because the law court no, a one year be a say be higher than the BCC.
On your cost yes.
And no say what dear.
In the event to say, but yeah, attending a police station. Young coco. A one ma do and die. A check do and die again. Or we need to do and die. And yet, what they shall say of us. What did they mention? I'm going to yet, if you casa, bit my papa at say,
and I didn't remember Mahama Casa because I had 2 minutes okay, but it can't be begun for a head must say, beer, almost problem. But the okay, no, I dream poor because somebody will also say, oh, we do a minus one, almost so minor and more. Well, a minor bar, one of the Bruno.
The woman said, Ghana is between the devil and the deep blue sea. In Empire.
I see.
You were for the time of all that be done. Now, or Quabem, why a state attorney, as a foreign minister at that time. It was in the juicy aspect of being in the power.
Okay.
I also holding the tight at all costs. In here, Mama Sonia be woo Ghana 4 years. Was I a vice president? I will write a mess of pencil. So one day, now, Saturday, no, we are new number from very language. And see, say the paper woo, I'm walking this Saturday now. It's any part of 2 years who care. He doesn't care. Any part of who about who. Sir, post channel and I use a mamma dear. Sir, mu nyes ka ni nya e dia so baba bi even if sabe cause death cry and cause
obenya sanko from my side na says if that is what he's thinking now
afena me ba o cronyism nepotism political chauvinism you say this actually witness taste all who can say Abraham mama take me aso na ku gwaru ka say friends and family and friends administration okay ku for Dubai they departed from it that be what da ko be dey pure blah 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 ne mprafo nya and ne s
I don't know
oh masa
I don't know of ne mprafo
oh me kama sem
there be by o kama sem o man pani twempra ma
how do I na o ya ambassador na o hungry house nya woni ne wo ba o ware no Czech Republic o ware no please ya ka sem
former ex-girl
wa ware no o twempra woni ne wo please
and when the former
I don't know be a former
empra say your former wo e dey empra o kwa dey ba bem asesudia bem asesudia no confirm masa ye kasa munya botremai
former girl
sa enu tino sa chronism ne kata ne kabana omo form di wia o ma ne de merke Ghana ma Ghana pridi no ayo mu da akwati so ba na so okore na china ne ntinsie
no lot you know
ebi na ato mahama o hanya ma wagya no governance mu a ne
but say on to me rule man no so forever and what twakra 80
me ba ni na o da nya botre na la wo kasa na mtire unim ade ade afu be ba Ghana ne se Ghana fo mu ye nyina ye nka mu na ye sa constitution tumi na de mo mampanyin na so edu o ka so mampanyin ku fo ka se ye fa yes ni bi kran ka
yeah no propose 5 years
thank you umunya tra ko bi na sigini no ana me de e kama se omucha ko nyanso mu ntokura wo mu a umbetimi de awiawia nema e de abo mabusuafo ne wo mu enamfofo ne wo mu ya was ne me kwai o me mafa no mu ye mpenam de be mo me ye nyina nka mo na ye mo ana constitution ye sesam na ye transfer power ne ma Ghana fo e da be sesam constitution we mu no Ghana ni gisem kese ne be se me president oba sa de no oba no anya pan ba kokora be pe opa mo me ye bibia ma Ghana
constitution nko
yes sa constitution ni mu na mbo se Ghana be fa no tuma fa na local governance system bia ma ye any good governance ma ya me de be che Ghana for so bia kan ya mo be hu se be bia wo se ye tisum Ghana ye practice democracy a military dictatorship it is your mama or person ye coup a MPP flow
how
a coup in disguise what did the channels me gas ko no
okay
the best of channel say o mi enu obi abeso better opposition
okay
because of power now o ma test you say o ko transfer o form ani no mu o be ruler o me leader bi the architectural structure of this country
okay you become a
ruler
not a leader
Sana Rollins no here no Santa no di favor no but any current happiness no e boy bra it I expose you mo big time it we about say we corrupt okwa onso ba no be corrupt we wa we a constitution no am I wrong direction o man e ko emra so Ghana fo nya muntie asopem na ntum say ye brata me se ye to ho no say ye mfa ni nyina akra ye nsa mfa adwefo from ekadi ho ni en kan from ni en sesa ni emem constitution no a living document a grow by time it be just static forever enye yi o man be butu and the civil war beba ye wura mama say nsemu war drums and all beat
on pacho
okra sa na okoka ye den wuni there was so many charitable works that communion bit me
ba say ni kete match say bia
oh I say because
bia brofo no so odike won so nti
ma of odike fa ne gogo no no a fa google na wan kasa
enye me brother me kohwe the meaning of do or die me pa chow please minuanam me do mama say me try me can someone. But one can so na ide. Because there are more charitable ways. And one say you be
need a better hope.
What me ba. You be it's going to be vigorous.
Okay.
More aggressive.
Be vigilant.
Vigilant.
Yeah.
All these ways. Who you swear? Who come baby? Die here by. Who for back and die be?
But Mahama said it in the video. One video no mama that Yenti Mahama was say this is not going to. I'm not saying all die be die. He knew as some work can say ebi agana workers will can all die be dying. He was referring himself.
I said wow can we are now when you stand the cat was say it was all. It's quickly no. Now so back be say we don't mean harm. My brother, yeah ko yenim ya kan. Et won ya kasa nyabotre. Utimi kan say bi wie. O ka we now when you stand the cat was it was all. So you turn around to polish it to suit the situation. Even where asem no mama instances o fia you see what takima any ade ya bi kura wo company adam na nya nika Ghana for nya jitum bilateral reforms be na ye dey to a ye betimi ya sesa saade.
Now Mahama can say no. Okay, yenti on panida da Mahama briefly yenti dem.
This election, there was fraud in this election. And so, you didn't rate it. You say if you are dissatisfied, go to the court. You call court say, Eduardo no. And you didn't. But I know America say, we learn lessons from it. Into the next election, Supreme Court view. We will do it at the polling station collation center. And we say it will be a do or die.
Your Excellency,
school in them. They don't understand do or die.
Your Excellency, Wadaruma,
do or die. It's an English idiom.
Okay.
It's an Kasabia Yawo Kasakwan.
Okay.
Over Africa, your proverbs, your bube.
Sure.
And you can't was some young country in the. Yes, it will be a BCP now. Audition answer. Yes, the 2020 answer. Elections, no, it will be won or lost at the polling station.
I see.
And the polling station, they better do or die. Because all die be die. They better do or die. The right thing must be done. 2024 polling station and you better win the election. No, you train ma yankase collation center and the Supreme Court. Yes, it will be a BCP now. Audition answer. Yes, the 2020 answer. Elections, no, it will be won or lost at the polling station.
I see.
And the polling station, they better do or die. Because all die be die. They better do or die. The right thing must be done. 2024 polling station and you better win the election. No,
right. Inti we any the Ghana man penny. Okay. So in effect, utienwa. The two interviews in now. Was the polling station what there? I want to see win about.
That's how we
hono and I better do or die. Masaba, I pay a siriwa. I was very sad when President Akufo-Addo and unashamedly issued a communique asking the coup leader to hand over power to Condi. What precisely did Nana Addo do as an ECOWAS chair when Condi illicitly manipulated their constitution to seek re-election for the third time? In fact, greed, selfishness, hypocrisy, and sycophancy is the hallmark of African leaders. I don't know the Abba. I don't know. We say good evening, Sir Mike. In fact, you are doing a great job. May God bless you. I really like Odike so much, and I always pray for him to become a president of Ghana. I'm Opoku Samuel from Ejura Opoku Odike Edase. Senior, in fact, we in the NDC and the majority of Ghanaians are going to exercise the state of preparedness and heighten vigilance to ensure that every ballot that is cast in our favor is counted in our favor. Senior, only thieves, crooks, and criminals fear the determination, but determination to stop wanton thievery. I rest my case. My regards to lawyer Elizabeth Opusu Ajare. We James Opoku, deputy youth organizer, the Chiman North. They Ebae, and so I don't know. We say, hello, sir, my good evening. JDM should be prepared to take his children and wives and the NDC communicators to the polling stations for his do or die agenda. Tony Jacobu Fiankoma, greetings to Dr. Belt, UCC UTAC president, and Odo Tubri and Sroma, Tony Yanchao, and Enyumrei. We say, in fact, you are doing a great job. Greetings to Odike. I really like him. He says he's coming to Western North. We are waiting to receive Odike. Okay, Nana, JB, that say also Ode Abba. We say, really, is Ghana hot? I don't think so. Look at Odike. Even his belly shows Ghana is not hot. I'm watching you from Italy. Nana Nimo. Nana, Yanso Yanasi. But what's your Mahama? Nancy, you. Uti, me mean you.
And then the question, I understand. Then the question, Obian said, election now, in Cassam, we don't pay for one. No more post strategy. Would the bed tight chain police station? But a weapon. And you can say, one value of public. Idea of some we amount. And you are enough for public consumption. Crash of the moon strategy at echo. Now, I never for the one about security before you. And what feels such as say, would you put say, finish the one who get that faithful? If you go for paper, be preaching message. But you go into Brooklyn. I have some more kind. Was it one time Tiasim we asked now most of the say, or by a near man so conto. But I met I see ye part of all cocoa. Would that order be done? It is so bad.
Oh, Jama.
Oh,
oh, Jama.
It is so bad. Who's on cocoa?
Anna, yes, it's one more cocoa.
Yeah, and I'm
so Jama and can't cocoa. It was what just a cocoa. Well, not justice, our pet. Yeah. You deny the justice. The next time won't could be. If you go for to take it and also into his hands, and the vigilante for Aberchin in son. Or normally the CN. That is the import of the message. I'm a patch on that. Unfortunate. Because when you hear me a power, a statement, you want to say, behind this. Oh, sir. Behind this person for the power. It doesn't matter. In fact, Assembly, and yeah, it doesn't matter where it's coming from. Okay. As they don't get young now, they can say whatever they want. But it will be there. When we are straight, I go for Cassandra America. Your mama Cassandra America. Yet it's a big thing for Ghana. It is another, I said, get that session. Say, Mamma, and more of the way you were anything wrong with it. I will not answer. Okay. By moving you said about the uncle. I put one of them a bone. It is a more passing on of it. Not one who moved here. Yellow so ever. You're a mamma. Who position or Cassan? I'll say I'm Brassica. I was so banana. I thought we have to. Or my feeling the new him. Okay. Because you're talking about your said. Yeah. It's also so bad, dear man. I also not gonna fulfill the new you. Say, Papa. What is that? There are some of our what the suggestions? I feel experience of for last advice. Why MP? Why you know? Now you sit down and craft a message. Okay. A bad captain. That's a Ghana. Okay. Opa. Vennisburg Travel and Tour say a country say any domestic and international ticketing
ɛna ɛbɛsɛ otu kwan ɛbɛsɛ onya ticket ɛde ɛkɔ international okɔ amɔ no ne ana Ghana ha ya domestic a ɔbɛtumi aboa pa ma ɔsɛ tumi aka ha wɔn koraa ɛnkɔdi kiw mu nkɔnkɔdi traffic mu frɛ ɔmo no ma mɛgye nye bibia ɛmfa ɛma visa assistant ɔmo ɛboa wo embassy na ɔkɔ appointment a na sɛ ɔpɛ sɛ ɔkɔgye visa ɔmo mo ɔbɛtumi aboa wo kama passport ɛne birth cert ɛna ɔni bia ɔmo so de ma ɔmo within 2 weeks na ne nyinaa no ɔnsa aka bɔ no so wɔ fam paa ɛnyɛ agorɔ hotel reservations otu kwan no ɛha ho na afi na online na wɔ nso so wɔ dwuma foforɔ yɛ ɔde nyinaa akɔhyɛ ɔmo sa ɔmo de nyinaa kama ɛtumi ɛde ama Venisberg travel and tour ɛwɔ Kumasi Santasi oboku Arisini high school no mo yɛ nhwɛ ne mu obɛfrɛ 0556 055 965 0556 055 965 na afi ɔmo ɛtumi agye wo so message ka mo de aba menyi free na afi yɛ ma homa ne so Odoi Edifritema. Mahama is the only Englishman that understands do or die. Ghanaians are not ready to play any do or die game with Mahama. He should play with his children at home. Onono dia ode aba enso enono. Christian Kweku Menu enso Edifice Santasi. Also, I'm watching the program live at Santasi station in my shop. Tell Odike I admire him, but the point is that Mahama's statement is below bet, as Odike has said. If I am Mahama, I would have come out to apologize. I don't expect any NDC member to agree with Mahama as they are agreeing. Okay, and also Eddie Ode Abba. I don't know. Patrick, now. Yɛn fa ne sɛ ɛyɛ ntrɛne na Mahama ɛbɔ Ghana for ɛbɔ bibia aban ɔtisi sɛ de ɛbɛyɛ but let me finish my question sɛ de ɛbɛyɛ we say eh ade no de ɛne tifo ni abre paa nti ɛwɔ sɛ bia as you have been saying sɛ bɔne bi kura ne yɛyɛ ɛde ewini abato no a this time there yɛnya ifi sɛ ne tifo ni abre ntrɛne na mo bɔ ana ana ne bre sɛ
asɛm na ɔkan no ɛnyɛ ntrɛne no aka sɛ obi bɔ ntrɛne
oh, okay.
Yet. But the medical message to be say, brofo. I said, British or you said, Professor Bit Kenya.
Okay, so another way if I'm getting those who are saying that, if I'm getting them well,
and I die when you
say, with the car say, court on the court to you.
Ah, yes, because of experience. Because Masati, do maybe I'll come home when you kind of cringe nipa. Yako trouble. People out there ni hair battle on the son. Or no, na se pesi and to us or baba no one. On the bit match, I'm a tiasi. It's common sense. The court to too much in Chimney and South West and said, Nipana or let's yam too much of people. And what the kind of people in the paper? What do you say that you done? You find and count and quantity. China, I said, me, and people will come and cry. So, you see, Obia, oh, my commission,
very well. So,
because the
question is, mobile day, Monko court, no, mobile day.
It is either say you and I say you come near you are what the fee.
Okay.
Until you make sure say you are at 2024 so nobody can stand this.
Okay.
When you me every say this rubber company
Okay. Big Show, Edifrika Soa of Anchor. Also, good evening, Mr. Host. The meaning of do or die doesn't mean we are going to turn the country upside down 2024. Tell Odike to stop his wrong information that he is giving to the viewers. He is not the one trying to rule this country. He shouldn't try to cause He shouldn't try. Okay. Maybe I get your message. I get your message. To Odike air propaganda. Well, I think that you know with this statement. No mind the crowds to the boha. Me a top is one better. I'm in pill. We crown them for your name to a table so emphasis come and bro me. Well, me young man entum and for Emma, but don't the money Mahama. As some of kind, no see soup say. Omo court because omo need Supreme Court no. What do you think so an court wa? Obey.
No on my caveat. O say on no na ye flag bearer. Ebia na ko to aba no anya flag bearer.
Okay.
But so no na ye flag bearer. Ye to aba wie na say wo lutu a court. We make sure say aba no ye nwia. Say to wie na say wo lutu a court. Say to na say wo lutu na ye flag bearer. Then the NDC na say court so you not as a person. O say say ko to aba na say bia na nya me na me say ya no kan. Say me na me flag bearer ya.
Okay.
And the Danaka, Assembly Cafe. And the statement, in friend this war. And the mama as a person.
What you saying, Katia? What's up, you know, the Tumba?
Maybe David or to me, and for before it. Or the Okanasema. Was one Kasama and this. If you say, look at Yaka in Ano, it is not that year nor then. I've been here, but you will have a
I don't
hello, good evening. Abani, what's the kind of you ring?
Mr. Mike, my name is Papa, and I'm Mohammed. I was sorry to minister. Mr. on the point, NPP Deputy General Secretary, Ejimawura. None of former President John Dramani Mama, or the Abendia Siga. Mr. Mike, Dana Photo Day and Tinapia, but maybe I'm in phone. Because the internet can say, and a hundred and who Farmer Airport John Dramani Mama 2024, and then no atom no back because there were another dump for the excellence. My pa or the man Ghana for. Like over here, but the only appointed to Bakata. Catch say, Michel Mobote school is 100 man, and Mr. Monta, me Yamamo. Now, Michel Mobote or very predication, why am I yet? And say, what the task? Now, to do the whole fire, don't go for but that's the eye, and no thing that is the book, and they or die around the one or die. I am the one that I know people.
Okay, yeah, say, Amasco, spell hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, I'll show your friend, Ray.
The friend we could finish the Kata free.
Okay, Yancy on Friday.
Yo, much of this at the moment, Benica or churching, maybe I say I'm a chain, or say on train, and we are not answering our support. It's a Roman and near a very good station, yet you get out. It's really a man, Bolivia, Mamma for to move that in the outcome, you trouble, you papa. Bolivia woman, made a message among for to Papa Penny.
Yeah, I say, Amasco, or say, I have only 3 questions for ex-President Mahama. Since when did he realize elections are won at the polling station? Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Please wait. Your call.
Okay, munyin freso mame. Munyin freso. Onye ready ma do I ready mrem Madaroma. Hello, good evening. We say, will he be a pooling agent? Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Abanemeto Kawri be ahwe free. Na me ado me ho ye pa yenti o.
Hello.
Abani yeti o mativo no nko famne yenti o nka. Why?
Good evening.
Kasa meti Madaroma.
Hello.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, be ahwe free. Manso yenti o. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, Samata.
We didn't have a free. Okay, you tell me there.
My bank say, "Oh, penny to a drama in Mahama, all kind 2012. If you come court, a Korea doing a Copenia, a position that is taken, you could even anything. So they never go to buy. I didn't do that, you and Diana Walker, so Diana Walker, you don't want any money. Ghana for a delay. Who go money to Gano do you? Yeah, I know what I would get. One of the money. What could get young Ghana if you want one company that you can hear?
Yeah, that's say any also audience. Hello, good evening. Nyame gusu shawe pa. Yentio.
Captain in the Gaddafi magazine.
Okay, Capito Yanko.
And can you my Australia and can you some or and India? Among your phone, dear, no Kata, no one can hear. Oh, Kata, what's that die your bone here? Oh, last 1 year. Nana kwa car with my mom, which in a water. Your son also, would you answer here? So now we know Kata, she wants our Katano. I can't know what it is. That's why I'm going to be Master. That's one, more Kata,
okay. Capito, yes, that's it. Now, yes, for. Was it die? No, the word die, no, D-I-E, never bear mono. And now, sitting now, die. Now, I was all die. One person die. No one want to die. Oh, yeah, I'm also ever revolution. But Mahama be a pulling agent. What the Abbas so be pulling agent.
What the Kaka so be pulling agent. What the Kaka so be pulling agent.
Okay.
President Mahama said it to another region. Say in our next elections.
Okay.
Obey pulling agent.
Okay.
And the pulling agent need to know can say next election. To be President Mahama. So you pulling agent in the next.
To no. Do and die no because.
Obey display how said they all can amount for the whole.
You are Mahama.
Now, and it's for anybody. What posters has here, Dr. Comnado for? Nania bread and then amount for near bread.
Democratic Party will be at Timbed until another. Okra so cafe to burn this year.
Fully confirmation.
Okay.
As I confirm one, the best discuss it up to because statement mama understand say NDC comment.
Okay.
It would have NDC in Tokwa. NDC in the budget of Ama. Oh,
another mama or a CPP, Anna or you
or city or say, me Mahama. Semina me badia. Me garage.
Men court.
It was my option. And that is one more option, sir. Do or die, no, and yet palatable in the ears of Ghanaians.
There be no do or die, no, the cancer. There be some master man, a court now on court now on court, no, can't say. So, no, yet flag bearer, yeah, on court.
Okay.
and it is not had nothing to do with the do or die.
And I say the police station on a better do or die.
That be a different thing altogether, a different questions.
Some of I say when two metallic substances are both of one thing.
Yeah.
The good for the metal. Say, Mama, that's what you don't go for because you're metal.
Good.
And these two metallic substances, they are going to meet at the police station. Now, I'll show you look one.
And since I want to say, and in Yana one.
Yeah,
but why are we also not looking
for so we always sit down here and keep fire.
Why are you not also
and today they are interested in keeping fire.
Mahama, then what can
and then we are here, Sasia, who know the message for no more where I was no more to talk more boy. Then we are near to us, I know fire so called.
What should be done? What can be done?
Police station about 12 for year. On the letter commission, may say, Opa, me could just say no day.
You go do it.
Mahama court, one evidence or some of your mamma.
Samas, we make me be our day. Well, mobile phone. We could that. Let me phone. Ama, what police station send me out. Yeah, the mobile phone be police station.
Okay.
The people say, my serial number. Yes, I own it. Why nya? The document in Asian family.
And of course,
phone on your audio.
At Yamra.
But Mahama and Farm, don't hear when we know one Ghana for you away. What to Hayaka, Mahama disappointed. Court or coy, because I'm 5 minutes.
And Yama Adasino, not a new. But I don't just have
okay.
That
sure.
It must be established.
Sure.
I agree. At the person you are Mamma, says a baby gun, we need electoral reform.
Okay.
It is Sumra, you move or let you mark. And this is why electoral reform.
I'm the cop.
But I'm not told what you want.
Oh,
what me young and this is for found Supreme Court. Sir, we propose a winner, you did the Ghana web white.
Or someone found iPad. Now, I'm going to iPad. No, suppose
no. Any legal backing. Yes, see, advisory body. You two
until any
reforms of Proverbs.
What are Mongol discussing here? About to go.
Go waste your time. And this is for Monfa. Now, and you now you find shall get this on
because just 1 minute.
Supreme Court.
Now, reforms.
And I make her say,
not the idea of the year. There are 3 years of us on function.
Just 1 minute on that. As a matter of fact, but then the argument say Supreme Court and I can't say after 2012 petition. Yanko reforms.
Yeah.
Basically, reforms in Yamma.
Oh, Unga say Ebinya Mai.
Every Babu implemented
2016,
No, I'm just telling you. My history. No. My history. No. Oh, Mami Channel. Michemu Channel. How can they come? See, almost set up a committee.
Reforms.
I suggest reforms. Implemented. Oh, allow me not me explain.
Reforms are called and yet.
I can't see any now. And I'm beginning to material. Oh,
and I thought this is still 2016 is on one reforms. Because 2016 is a lot to say.
Yes.
My reforms.
Yeah. Reforms are here. Your mama reform. So I'm one than it will need to be serious as
then I make a reforms when they say, also yes, set up a committee. I'm going to inquire reforms after 2012 petition. So our committee no reforms now the buyer. But who can why implementing?
Okay.
And to end these reforms 34 now, 15 intercession to ECDN. Just say 15 of your reforms now, yes, I just know. Easy reforms then it's the same thing.
Yeah.
But yeah, no one yarding about one almost young pong, no me and son. And they are case, so what an cry, Shamra say young to about to young pong, no me and son. Okay, you want to go to Kum, Kata to Abbey, the Jews of poor who tell Kum, Yenchimunu, Yenchiano, at Mutu Dance, Humber Branson, or what in mind about the Twabano.
But I got you. NDC communication team member Nyame Domna NDC Bietum polling stations ahodo ne constituencies ahodo a was region and okro as a deputy communication officer ti hono nso no akọtọ number 2 hono nso no ebe ye all die be die
yen ka all die be die masa yen ka all die be die
etu ara ten ka
yes do or say yen wu t-shirt ni do or die
officer kan bia na na so
American say electoral commission say constitutional review na 2 million dia manual oye kan
but order of voter na some man of odikebi awo so no man because on one resource na party ejuma e dey Ghana ejuma sa oh na ke abo odin
na ya ma parliament aba na na mo tu dem I can't use for reforms the community back of parliament
say e can reforms
me ba wo ni na parliament a review
na next week na me aduma right this excellency Akwasi Ade
order of voter award
me na for mo UK no say na money aju dike ho pa o and dress na come home mo kwa mo tell me
na ni su no ma hesa
am no te Ghana address you say Ghana ye den well dike e leader and founder e de ma UK manyuku no anonso na wote ne kamedin e de say Mike on behalf of the entire crew MCR VTR Augustine and Loretta danso and me DOP Kobe Frank production manager Ochi Nozo executive producer Sam Darkus me producer Bernard Ade me show spirit recovery and afi director Samuel Dako nyame adom na o de chair ochina ebisi asa no Sunday solid cage finals wo Kumasi Asafo dade so aba Emmanuel Assemblies of God ho na ebekọ so the finals no mon join na mo fa no program no ye ndin fefefe yakra mo nyame adom ochina ebe san Asia have a good evening
animudia me manfo ni bintina mo ne yira ebinu be from ho se me yo omo asofo nso no manya ma asorema akom obi wo amene wo kasa stroke achino wa ya stroke no enko malam se bra ya djuma memene da
okay
kwesi da ejuoda ebanada okuoda yawada efieda ana menya djuma na fieda wo beto me ya wo so me hwaw because nipa ana wo homeda nyankopon eni homeda
okay
akwala na wa wo no akwala na nya 10 years eko 15 years on nanteda wada form obi so ho wa akwala na no isonsuo obi so ho so wa